Introducing the Deep Reach Pipe Clamp Fixture from Jorgensen. These clamps combine the strength and utility of a traditional pipe clamp with the deep reach of a bar clamp. Perfect for glue-ups of thicker materials or working around obstructions. They are designed for use with 3/4 inch pipe and offer 2.5 inches of reach. By reversing the heads, they can quickly and easily be converted to spreader clamps for added versatility. The wing nut handle provides a low-profile tightening mechanism that is ideal in tight quarters. And the cast iron construction with multiple disc clutch provides exceptional strength and durability. Jorgensen, clamps without compromise.